This works thanks to motion physics and angular acceleration. When I tilt my hand, the sensor reads the motion and sends it wirelessly to the robot.
Here's the parts list for our Arduino car project and what each one costs. An Arduino Uno board, about $18. The MPU 6050 gyro and accelerometer module, $6. Either an HC-05 Bluetooth module or an RF transmitter and receiver pair, around $7 and $5.
This works thanks to motion physics and angular acceleration. When I tilt my hand, the sensor reads the motion and sends it wirelessly to the robot.
Now let's wire it up. The MPU 6050 uses the I2C bus, so its SDA pin goes to Arduino A4 and SCL goes to A5. Give it power and ground, and that's all it needs to start sensing motion. The transmitter sends the data through the air. On the other side, the receiver...
Here's the brain of our robot, the code that links motion to movement. When I move my hand forward, the robot goes forward. When I tilt it back, it reverses. Forward, back. And with a little more logic, it can even steer left.
Here it is, my robot, following every move I make. Imagine controlling a drone or a car just by moving your hand. That's the future. Welcome to it.
You just built a gesture-controlled robot with me! Like, share, and subscribe to elielsmile for more amazing robotics, electronics, and physics tutorials. Rocket time!